Alright, here's the back. This gunner. Sun's starting to come out and really melt everything. So it's coming off of the trees, which is good. Gunner. See. Ready? You want to fetch us? Good boy. Good boy. Ready again? Ready? Good boy. Last one. Last one. All right, ready? Good boy. Good boy. And just take a scan of the woods and everything. See some of the tree, half a tree that broke up top. That tree that's tilted was already down, but it snapped. A couple of trees. I don't know if they're leaning any more or less. I don't know than they have in the past. But a lot of the debris in the, or I shouldn't say debris, I should say small pine trees in the woods are all crushed down, as you can see. Let's do a close up on them. That's it. Want to throw it? Come on. One more. One more. Ready, Gunner? Gunner. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Go get it. You can't see it. He found it. He found it. Good boy. Thank you. Good boy.